didn't even plan it. I'm on a different level, look pretty disgusting, we can't even measure. Now with respect to the standards and cause I pull over like 7-11. The 2 is a 9, abantwana by 7. I did a 7, we didn't even plan it. Talk about liquor, I got it, it's plenty. If you're looking for flats, now you know where to get me. A74 is the key to the Eddie. I got that vibe like Julie and Min. We to the left to the 7, they saying it don't worry about so this just up to my pen. Meantime,
Poppin' out, I got lit. Poppin' out, I got lit.